Nestled in the Pacific Palisades foothills, the Tramonto Residence by ShubinDonaldson is a masterpiece of contemporary architecture, designed to harmonize with the natural beauty of its surroundings. Situated on a 2-acre site, this 17,000 square foot single-family home is a testament to the seamless integration of human habitation and nature. With the Pacific Ocean to the west and the Santa Monica Mountains to the north, the residence offers breathtaking vistas of the canyon and coastline, making it an ideal retreat that captures the essence of California's natural splendor. The design of Tramonto Residence takes full advantage of the steep topography, allowing the home to blend organically into the landscape. Rather than imposing on the hillside, the structure terraces down into the natural contours of the land, subtly breaking up the mass of the building. This diffusion not only respects the landscape but reinforces it with a subgrade structure that stabilizes the surrounding hills. The result is a home that feels as though it has grown out of the earth, rather than one built on top of it. Circulation within the home is orchestrated around a central reflecting pool, which adds an element of tranquility and mirrors the home's sleek geometry. A feature stair connects the various levels, leading to a mezzanine and a bridge that traverse the space. This sculpted assembly not only enhances the flow of movement, but also creates visual interest, with the reflective surface of the water playing off the sharp lines of the architecture. Tramonto Residence exemplifies the best of indoor-outdoor living, a hallmark of Southern California architecture. The extensive use of high-performance glazing allows for uninterrupted views while providing energy efficiency, ensuring that the home remains comfortable year-round. Sliding glass walls blur the boundaries between the interior and exterior, inviting the temperate climate inside and creating a living experience that is both luxurious and grounded in nature. The home is composed of 2 principal masses, each one terracing with the hillside to create a fluid connection between architecture and nature. A limited yet refined material palette of limestone, high-performance glazing, and dark wood defines the exterior. These materials, chosen for their durability and aesthetic appeal, complement the surrounding environment, with the dark wood echoing the nearby trees and the limestone reflecting the rugged cliffs of the Pacific coastline. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the home's design also responds to the challenging topography with elegance. The terrace structure allows for multiple vantage points from which to enjoy the surrounding landscape, while the use of natural materials ensures that the home feels like a natural extension of the hillside. This careful attention to the site's unique characteristics allows the residence to stand as both a work of art and a respectful addition to the Pacific Palisades environment. One of the home's most striking features is its dual terrace design. The semi-public outward terrace offers sweeping views of the canyon and ocean, creating a space for outdoor entertaining and relaxation. In contrast, the inward-facing private terrace is a serene retreat, shielded from the elements and prying eyes. This balance between public and private spaces allows the homeowners to fully experience the natural beauty around them, whether seeking solitude or socializing. In every aspect, from its material choices to its integration with the landscape, Tramonto Residence is a celebration of California's natural beauty. It not only provides a luxurious retreat, but also reflects a deep understanding of how architecture can enhance and elevate the experience of living within nature. Through its careful design, the home offers its occupants a connection to the land, the sea, and the sky, creating a harmonious balance between built form and the wild, untouched beauty of the surrounding landscape.